It may be one of the coolest hotels you've never heard of, one of the coolest hotels you've never been to, but once you're here, you'll never forget it.
Al, I have been in here for about 3 seconds and I already know I need to come back because it is so stunning in here. It feels so special.
It's such a great place, and the interesting fact is Lorenzo is the Italian romanticized name for Lawrence, and the primary owner of the hotel is Lawrence Hamilton.
Oh.
And that's the family that owns the hotel to this day. And I think Mr. Hamilton put a lot of effort into ensuring that it essentially feels like a museum.
It's just very, very contagious, beautiful energy in here. And it's very tasteful in the way that everything was selected and planned out. I can just already tell. So I'm sure a lot of art connoisseurs will visit here and really take in the artwork, right?
Most of the artwork was done by local artists in the Dallas or the DFW area. And so Mr. Hamilton took a lot of time and effort to ensure that it endeared itself to the community. And there is artwork everywhere, including the headboards and the rooms. There's over 1,000 pieces of art in the building. And just a phenomenal amount of effort was put into the art and the display of what you see today.
I know there are different themes when it comes to the rooms.
There are 237 rooms in the building. There are 3 specific kind of extraordinary suites that we refer to as cake. That's a French Parisian theme based on Marie Antoinette and the famous Let Them Eat Cake.
Yes.
It's a really cool room from there. Then we have another room that's called Zen. That's a really Southeast Asia, Buddha themed. And then we have a third room that's really fun, and it's kind of a split room, and it's called Nomad, and it's designed for Moroccan Marrakesh.
I'm sitting here trying to think about which room I'm gonna stay in the next
Sure,
time I come back. Do you mind if we go take a look?
Yeah, we should probably
I'd love
take a
to see
look.
them.
As you enter the lobby, you come up this ramp, which is really fun because we've got these great mirrors on this side, the fun eyeballs on this side, and the eyes represent a kind of a window into your soul that when you come here, it's designed to be relaxing and enjoyable.
Yes.
And the moment you walk in the place, you just kind of feel at ease and feel comfortable. And then once you make the turn, there it is.
Oh my goodness.
Isn't that fun?
This is so cool. Can I sit in the chair?
Please, by all means,
I don't know
enjoy
if
the
there's
chair.
if I need to be initiated or something. Oh, this is nice.
So let me show you one of our most famous rooms
I'm so
that we
excited.
have that we themed out in early 2020. So
Okay.
take a look, walk around, take it all in.
Tina!
She escaped from Ike, and she was staying at the Statler Hotel in downtown Dallas and escaped to this hotel. Came in, she had 36 cents to her name with a mobile gas card. So this room is to pay homage to her
Because
in
she
her
was
darkest
here.
hour. She was literally
She
here
was
in this
here.
building. And so this room is themed the escape room of Tina Turner. So take a look as you come in here, take
Oh my
all this in.
goodness. I want cake.
Again, fabulous pillows,
Wow.
the decor, the furniture.
Ah, is that a chandelier as
2
a lamp?
chandeliers as the lamps,
Ow.
and then just the view. This has vibes.
Am I royalty
You
right
are
now?
royalty,
What's happening?
absolutely, yes.
Wow.
So this is called
is
cake in
stunning.
reference to Marie Antoinette, a French Parisian theme of her famous saying, "Let them eat cake." That's why we call this room cake.
I don't even know where to go. Where do I?
Just take a look around, take it all in.
I feel like this is a room fit for a queen. It is giving romance too. I feel like there's something for everyone.
We're on the 12th floor now of
Okay.
Lorenzo Hotel. Let me show you one of our meeting spaces. It's a room called Toast, and you're looking that direction to the south, towards the southern part of Dallas. And again, you're in the Cedars district of Dallas, Texas.
This is a beautiful view, and I just have to say, natural light is good for the soul. So
Oh,
I
absolutely.
love how bright this room is. I feel energized immediately. It's really beautiful.
Just kind of hidden in the back, there's our famous pink chair.
Ow.
Isn't that fun?
For me?
For you, all for,
For
you,
me?
ma'am.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
isn't
Well,
that
if you're going to
fabulous?
twist my arm
There
about
you
it, I
go.
guess I'll sit. Oh. Wow, this is cute.
This is our primary restaurant. This is Hamilton's at Lorenzo. So Hamilton's is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, 7 days a week. Here's some of our empanadas. These are our famous
you
empanadas.
Shouldn't have. Oh,
Yep.
Are those
and
fries?
our truffle fries. They're fabulous.
Are you reading my mind?
I'm reading your mind.
I'm sorry. I'm just gonna
please,
gately
jump in
We're
there.
gonna do a little
Jump into the
switcheroo
food.
here. I need
Absolutely.
these close to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my goodness.
Yep.
I'm getting a little emotional. The fries are so
They're
good.
really good. They're good
The
stuff.
fries are really good.
So cheers to your time at Lorenzo, and we hope to see you and everyone else here soon.